Hey y'all, hey. Happy Thursday. It's Thankful Thursday. It's Thankful Thursday. I'm so thankful for this Thursday. Woke up this morning, did my little yoga morning exercise, made up my bed. That's a big task for some of y'all, but I made up my bed.
Go past
And
then turn right.
real quick.
Highway Southeast.
I was today's years old when I realized at 50, although I am self-diagnosed
Then turn left
with
onto Old
ADHD,
Highway Southeast.
I am also officially self-diagnosed with some form of PTSD,
At the stop
noise
sign, turn left onto Old
sensitivity,
Covington Highway
easily
Southeast.
irritable syndrome. Yeah, I just made that up. Cause listen. I went into Walmart for one of my clients to purchase those plastic
In
drawers,
2.7 miles, turn
you know,
left
the
onto
three.
Lapon Road Southwest.
And the first Walmart I went into, I went straight to the aisle. They had what she was looking for, and